Creating small wooden craft ideas for modern house decor presents an exciting opportunity for artisans to blend creativity, functionality, and profitability in a compact form. The charm of small wooden crafts lies in their ability to enhance living spaces without overwhelming them, making them ideal for contemporary homes that often embrace minimalist and functional design principles. One of the most pleasing aspects of this crafting journey is the versatility that small wooden items offer. From decorative shelves and candle holders to intricate wall art and unique coasters, the range of possibilities allows artisans to explore their creativity while catering to diverse consumer tastes. The process begins with selecting the right type of wood, which can vary from light, airy pine to richer, darker woods like walnut or mahogany. Each type of wood brings its own character and aesthetic qualities, allowing artisans to choose materials that resonate with their artistic vision and the preferences of their target market. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of small wood craft project ideas for modern homes and for sale. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. As artisans embark on this creative path, the satisfaction derived from transforming simple pieces of wood into beautiful, functional decor items is immense. The tactile nature of woodworking provides a direct connection to the materials, allowing artisans to appreciate the craftsmanship involved in each piece. The act of cutting, sanding, and assembling small wooden crafts is not just about creating a product. It is about engaging in a process that requires focus, precision, and an eye for detail. This hands-on experience fosters a sense of accomplishment and pride, as each finished piece showcases the artisan's skill and dedication. Moreover, the compact size of these crafts often makes them more accessible for both creators and consumers, allowing for experimentation and innovation without the commitment of larger projects. The market for small wooden crafts is thriving, driven by a growing consumer desire for unique, handcrafted items that reflect individuality and style. Many modern homeowners seek decor that not only serves a purpose, but also adds character to their living spaces. By creating small, eye-catching pieces, artisans can tap into this demand, offering products that resonate with consumers looking to personalize their homes. These small crafts often serve as conversation starters, allowing homeowners to showcase their taste and personality through thoughtfully designed decor. The pleasing aspect of selling these items lies in the recognition and appreciation artisans receive for their work, as each piece represents not just a product, but a story and an artistic expression. Engaging with local craft fairs, online marketplaces, and social media platforms can provide artisans with valuable opportunities to showcase their creations to a wider audience. The ability to share the inspiration behind each piece and the process involved in its creation fosters a deeper connection between the artisan and the consumer. High-quality photographs that capture the intricate details and finishes of small wooden crafts can significantly enhance marketing efforts, drawing in potential buyers who value the artistry involved in handmade products. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another gratifying aspect of creating small wooden crafts is the opportunity for personalization. Customization options, such as adding initials, names, or meaningful quotes, can make items more special and resonate with consumers on a personal level. This level of attention to detail not only elevates the perceived value of the crafts, but also encourages repeat business as customers return for gifts or home decor that reflects their personal stories. The ability to create bespoke items reinforces the notion that handmade products are not just commodities, they are cherished pieces that carry sentimental value. The creative process also allows artisans to experiment with various design styles and techniques, leading to continuous growth and innovation in their work. From rustic farmhouse aesthetics to sleek, modern designs, the range of styles available to small wooden crafts is vast. This flexibility encourages artisans to stay current with design trends, enabling them to create pieces that resonate with modern consumers. As trends evolve, such as the rise of biophilic design that emphasizes natural elements in home decor, artisans can adapt their creations to incorporate organic shapes and earthy tones, appealing to those looking to connect with nature indoors. Sustainability is another appealing aspect of crafting small wooden items as consumers increasingly seek eco-friendly products. By utilizing reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood, artisans can create beautiful pieces that align with environmentally conscious values. This commitment to sustainability not only enhances the appeal of handcrafted items, but also fosters a deeper connection between the maker and the consumer, as both share a passion for responsible consumption. Artisans can highlight their eco-friendly practices in their marketing efforts, attracting customers who prioritize sustainability in their purchasing decisions. The financial rewards of creating small wooden crafts can also be significant. As artisans establish their brands and cultivate a loyal customer base, they have the potential to turn their passion into a sustainable source of income. The satisfaction of earning from something crafted with love and dedication adds a layer of fulfillment to the entire process. With the right marketing strategies and a commitment to quality, artisans can enjoy the fruits of their labor, allowing them to invest back into their craft, explore new materials, or expand their product lines. Creating small wooden crafts also fosters a sense of community among artisans and consumers. Engaging with fellow creators, sharing techniques, and celebrating each other's successes creates a supportive environment that encourages collaboration and inspiration. This sense of community enhances the crafting experience, reminding artisans that their work contributes to a larger movement that values creativity, sustainability, and the beauty of handmade products. In conclusion, the process of creating small wooden crafts for modern house decor is a rewarding and fulfilling journey that intertwines artistry, functionality, and sustainability. The emotional connections formed through storytelling, the tactile experiences evoked by the craftsmanship, and the potential for financial success all combine to create a fulfilling path for artisans. As they continue to innovate and adapt to modern trends, they not only enhance their own lives, but also enrich the homes and lives of those who choose to embrace the beauty and functionality of their handcrafted wooden creations. Ultimately, the journey of creating small wooden crafts is a celebration of creativity, resourcefulness, and the enduring appeal of woodworking in a rapidly changing world, allowing artisans to leave a lasting impact through their art. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked small wood craft project ideas for modern homes and for sale. Wooden craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.